How to make quiz app without coding. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a quiz app without coding. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So in creating a quiz app, we're going to use this platform called Jotform.com. And to create an account on Jotform, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Jotform, it's a versatile platform that simplifies data collection and enhances client management, in which it offers features like paragraph element, which allows users to display field values in personalized messages. And this tool is beneficial for summarizing form responses, especially for order forms, providing users with a review of their selections before submissions. And aside from that, Jotform's user-friendly interface and diverse features make it a valuable tool for efficient data collection and form creation. And now, to start using this platform, you could also click the sign up for free button on the top right corner. Or you could also sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, and even sign up with your email address in here. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which you will be able to see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with here: all forms, create folder, my teams, share with me, and many more. But to start creating a quiz app, all you need to do is to click under my forms in here, and below just click my apps button below, in which upon clicking on my apps, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And then from here, to proceed, on the left side panel, just click this create app button right here. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do on this page is to select how do you want to start creating an application with here to start from scratch, use template, build store, or even by clone existing app. But in those options, I'm going to choose this use template. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is simply choose a template that we prefer, in which below here it will show us the category of different kind of templates. But to search for a specific quiz template, just go on the search bar and click or enter quiz. And upon hitting enter, you'll be able to see here all of the results about quiz application. And all you need to do is to simply choose a specific kind of template that you want to use. So let's say I'm going to choose this template right here below, which says personality quiz app. And upon clicking use template button, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And then from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply customize all of the elements that contain in this templates. On the top panel, it will show you different kind of section with here build, settings, and publish. And aside from that, on this page, if you scroll down, it will show you different kind of pages that contain on these templates. And to start customizing it, we can simply select any of this template if you want to, or start clicking on any elements in here. Let's say this logo right here. Upon clicking on it, it will show us on the right side panel the app header properties with here general to change the app title. And aside from that, if you scroll down, you could also add here app description. Now moving on to logo section, by clicking on it, from here we'll be able to start removing the image and replacing the logo that we prefer. If we scroll down below here, it will show us that we could also customize the logo sizes if you want to by simply adjusting this part right here. Now moving on to style, by simply clicking on it below here, we could also change the text color. By clicking on this color, we can simply choose a specific kind of color on this palette. And as you can see, the color of the text has now been changed. And aside from that, we could also turn on the show background right here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the changes in background in here. And moving on, aside from logo and context, below here under this button, by simply clicking on it, we could also customize the context within this button right here, and even delete the whole button. Then below here, it will show us different kind of pages that contain on these templates. We have here personality quiz template that we could also customize and even change the content properties and even the position of it within the application in here. So as you can see in here, by scrolling down, it will show you different kind of pages it contain. And if you also want to add pages, just click this add pages button below here, and you will automatically adding a pages in here, in which by clicking on it, you could also customize the name of this page. However, at this point, I'm just going to delete these sample pages that I have created. And to do that, you could simply click these three dots right here and click delete. And now that we successfully deleted the pages that we just add earlier, you could also add here elements if you want to by clicking this add element button on the left side panel, in which it will show you in here on the left side panel some of the options including form, heading, sign document, paragraph, link, document, image, button, share button, product list, video, map, report, and many more. While under widgets, it will show you that you could also add here data grid, PDF embedder, Instagram, and many more. So basically, you can simply click on any of these elements or widgets to add in your application. And now let's move on to the settings section by simply clicking on it. From here, it will show you in the left side panel the app settings, app name and icon, splash screen that we could also customize, and even the app status below here. We could also toggle on and off any of this option below. Moving on, you could also navigate on the left side panel app name and icon, in which from here, it will show you what your application looks like in a mobile phone or when users has been installed your application in here. Now moving on to splash screen, from here you could also customize the splash screen or how it looks like when a user tries to open your application. By clicking this customize, you can simply customize the splash screen, such as the background color bit. We can simply click on it and choose a specific kind of color if you want to. And after that, you've now seen the changes that we've done in here. So that is basically the settings section. Now moving on, or going back to our build section before we publish this application, kindly click this build. And below the navigation settings right here, we can simply click on it in order to customize some other menu properties, including our mobile menu text. If you want to also customize this context in here, and even select an icon for your menu section. So for instance, instead of these 3 lines, I'm going to choose this one, and this is what basically it looks like. But you could also choose other kind of icon if you want to. Now under pages section, from here, you could also customize the arrangement of each pages if you want to, and even add an icon to each pages. And now to proceed, if we're now done customizing, before we publish this application that we just customized, we can simply click the preview button on the top right corner in order to see what it looks like when a user tries to open our application. And now by clicking this preview, from here it will show you what it looks like in mobile phone view or in tablet view and even on desktop view. So you can basically navigate your application in here to preview what it looks like when a user tries to open your application. And now if you are now done checking the preview, we can now go back on this page right here in order to publish the application that we just customized. By clicking this publish section, it will show you in the left side panel the quick share and embed section that we could also navigate. And as you can see in here under quick share, it will show you your app link below here that you could also copy and share directly to your friends. Or alternatively, you could also click open in new tab. And aside from that, below here, you could also invite your friends by simply entering here their email address and giving them or sending them invitation with permissions to try the application, in which when they try to click the link within the email that you have sent, they will now be able to start navigating the application that we just customized. Or aside from that, below here you could also share the application through your Facebook, Twitter or X, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and also by showing your QR code in here. Now moving on to embed, by clicking on it, you will basically see here the embed code that you could also copy and paste, such as to your WordPress and other platform to open the application. But overall, that is just basically how you can make quiz app without coding. Thank you.